Here is the entire field of machine learning in 3 sentences. A model is an ordinary function with adjustable knobs. A loss is a single number, measuring how wrong its output is. Training turns each knob a little, in whichever direction makes that number smaller over and over until it stops shrinking. Everything else is machinery for doing that at scale. Take the smallest possible model, predictive x equals w times x, 1 knob. One observation: when x is 2, the answer is 6. You can solve it in your head, w should be 3. We start it wrong at 1 and score it with squared error. Prediction minus target squared. Plot that loss against the knob, and you get a parabola with its bottom at w equals 3. That picture is the loss landscape, and training is nothing more than walking downhill on it. Which way is downhill? The derivative says, at w equals 1 the slope is minus 16. The sign says increase w, the magnitude says the ground is steep. That gives the entire update rule of deep learning. W becomes w minus a learning rate times the slope. Run it with learning rate 0.1 and watch the loss. 16, 0.64, 0.0256. The steps shrink on their own because the slope shrinks near the bottom. Nobody schedules that. The same rule trains models with billions of parameters. You don't have to trust that table. In this course, the arithmetic is asserted. The whole descent is a zig test. No library, no allocator, nothing but arithmetic. And zig test proves the loss falls below 10 to the minus 6, while w lands on 3. A second test cranks the learning rate to 0.3 and asserts the divergence. The textbook checks itself. Meet the course's fruit fly. 2 interleaved spirals, 400 points, and 1 question: which arm does this point belong to? No straight line can separate them. That is exactly the point. A small network, 4,482 knobs, learns it in seconds on a laptop CPU, and its training step is your 5-line loop grown up. Forward, loss, backward, step, 0 the gradients. 1 command runs it. Nothing here stays magic. Every operation in that training step gets built in front of you from an empty file with tests proving it right. Next time, the tensor, the one data structure that holds everything built from scratch.